You did everything right. Checked the chart, matched the tonnage, bought the right AC, and by 3 p.m., your room still felt like an oven. You lowered the temperature. Nothing changed. You increased fan speed. Still sweating. The compressor never stopped. The electricity bill climbed anyway. So you blamed the AC brand, then the gas, then the installation. But every evening, the same thing happened. Around sunset, the room got worse, not better. And that part made no sense, because outside, the sunlight was already reducing. So why did your room feel hottest exactly when the sun was disappearing? You walked in after work, dropped your bag, and just stood there, sweating, staring at the AC running full blast. And honestly, your logic was sound. Every online calculator confirmed it. Every buying guide agreed. You didn't guess, you researched. But not one of those guides asked a single question. Which direction does your room face? That west-facing wall was not a wall. It was a heat battery. All afternoon, it stored solar energy. Then, it released that heat into your room, exactly when your AC was already struggling. Your AC wasn't weak. Your room was overloaded. That 1.5-ton machine can remove roughly 5.3 kilowatts of heat. But your room was absorbing more from the wall, from the glass, from the roof. The AC never caught up. Now imagine this. Someone places 3 room heaters inside your room and asks one AC to fight all of them simultaneously. That is your west-facing room at 3 p.m. Your AC didn't fail you. It was just sent into a battle. It was never sized to win. That moment when the AC kept running, but the room never felt cold, that wasn't bad cooling. That was continuous heat gain. That weak airflow feeling at night, the sticky air, the compressor never shutting off. You already experienced the problem. You just blamed summer. And here's the part that makes everything click. At night, your AC finally reaches the set temperature. The compressor cycles off. The room feels cold. Same AC, same gas, same installation. Because at 11 p.m., the heat entering your room drops to almost nothing. The AC finally wins the battle. It was never broken. It was just outnumbered. If your room gets harsh afternoon sun, stop choosing AC size only from square foot charts. Check 3 things. 1. A west-facing window larger than 3 square meters. That alone can push 2,000 to 3,000 watts of heat into your room every afternoon. 2. Top floor, uninsulated roof. Add another 800 to 1,200 watts. 3. Outside temperatures crossing 42 degrees. Now add all that together. On a bad May afternoon, you're looking at 6, maybe 7 kilowatts of heat pouring into your room. But your 1.5-ton AC can handle only 5.3. Do the math. That's where the extra 0.5-ton matters. Not for faster cooling, for thermal headroom. Your AC should remove heat faster than your room absorbs it. Otherwise, it runs in survival mode all day and loses. If your room stays shaded most of the day, right now, go touch your west-facing wall at at 6 p.m. If it still feels warm, your AC is fighting stored heat, not cooling your room. Next week, I'm covering why your inverter AC, the one that was supposed to save money, may actually be costing you more in an overloaded room. Subscribe before your next electricity bill arrives.